Now 55 and now $6,000, now 655, 662 and now 5. $10,000! $10,000! $10,000, 10, 2 and a half, 10, 2 and a half, 10, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 10, 2 and a half, 10, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 10, 5, 10, 2 and a half, 10, 5, you're already in. I don't want you bidding against yourself. 10, 2 and a half, 10, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, now 7 and a half, now 10, 7 and a half, now $11,000, now 11, 2 and a half, 11, 5, 11, 7 and a half, now 12, now 12, 2 and a half, 12, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 12, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 12, 7 and a half, 12, 7 and a half, 12, 5, now $13,000, now 13, 2 and a half, 13, 2 and a half, 13, 13, 2 and a half, half. You've got a long pole, you've got a long pole, 13, 2 and a half, 13, 13, 2 and a half, half. Made them 2 years, boys, made them 2 years. 13, 13, 2 and a half. If you're done, I am gonna sell it. If you're done, I'm gonna sell it right down there. 13, 2 and a half, and I 13, 5. 13, 7. 13, 8. 13, 8. 13, 9. 14. 14, 1. 14, 2. Jeff, you got a landlord. You got a landlord that'd be happy for you to farm with that tractor. 14, 1. 14, 2. He's tired of you being in his fields in green. 14, 2. 14, 3. 14, 4. Did you do it, Brad? 14, 5. 14, 6. 14, 6. 14, 5. 14, 6. 14, 5. 14, 6. I know you're going to stop, Brad. Why don't you stop when you own it? 14, 5. 14, 6. He's going to say no, but boys, where are you going to come up with another? 14, 5. I got the man that bought load binders off of me earlier in the sale. I got the man in that bought log chains to haul her home. 14, 5, 14, 6, and we have. So 14, 5.